Mancho Moriria of Bosongo Vibes Network, very early in the morning, chinse chigo chire chinse isato chia mambia. Igotore sabari, kogenda Kisii National School, as Kisii High School. Mwanafunzi ulituwa korete interview social media. Obwate A- asamate mwa end term form 1. Class 8 ya wata mags 363. Igotore nere gari maiga with the mother. Tuabarusirie chiruti cha kuri Nyamataro bono turuchie skuru aiga bari mumanyete town ya Kisii twetaniri kereri. We headed to Kisii school ngi tokogenda ro tutageta kogenda kore interview elinde elio torore gosena ba admitted is a bright student but before the admission bono tutageta ko ikororo tokore the interview. I wa machibo nyende ronye mambi was Tuesday kolengana buna barato tebye alafu kurwabo tomanye komanya what next ndojenga twaikire kegitagie skuru. Yeah, this is the gate. Twaikire kegita tutaingia ndani alafu kurwabo tutawapatia the updates na kia manganare. Pacho morigeria buno kwigura se video yarire yesterday on Sunday tuache taiga the whole day. Bwana funzo itaka kora interview and fortunately he has passed very well wetira matemu. So a few hours ago na kirwesi minga mwanafunzi uletira matemu ni chomo yeli admission letter. So that is why I'm here. Na rudi school, Kisii School. Nimetoka huko, nimechukua barua ndio hii, Kisii School. So tutaenda kwa shule. Irubali bwate process ye nyinge. Ndi bwate bake transfer form. We are supposed to find a way entire form yetoko yeira mbaka Masikonde secondary. Masikonde gere Narok. Bono timanye tinga etoko beke garia mafuta paka Masikonde. Timanye tinga uratu tenenera mafuta ye gari ko paka Narok. Togenda Masikonde school a form we sign we transfer form omo sub county director of education assign here, and then from there omwana yabwente go so school as from tomorrow. Mambia was latest by Wednesday. An admission letter regaiga a school fees kawaida National School igere 53,500. Yes, 53,554. That is the school fees. So keep supporting this student and we hope nyasango tuanjirade tumwakande fees mpaka form 4 elinde lya some no mwana mungaini. So mashabiki ito andosi asemode dirube ninda atakwa nandi karansere ndicho libono iga alafu ndicho na mambio manyagitari na bwenta go sign. It's a long process. So nyasaye tigato bwatesia torore either by tomorrow gotoka twakorre tomorete class onye ntokora by tomorrow Wednesday aingie class aanze kusoma, but we have been accepted in admission letter. The other process na bongo kora ndio torenga kitoko. So keep supporting this project mwana yacha isomerende achako konyege sakukiaba kyagarna romo kokoti family elite baisa goswa engoro nya saba sinya mashabiki ito baleta ngoro kroja sikakasungura kuri school yaba muri ya Kisii School ya sayo hiyo.